ignore. Okay, and H, the new node that is not connected. Okay, that node is connected by J with 2. The weight is 2. If we connect H from D, we need the weight is 5. So according to the priority queue right now 5 and 6 was in the front position, but after inserting, after getting this edge, the edge weight is 2. So according to the priority, it should be inserted at beginning of priority queue. So right now, at this moment, front is pointing at 2, or we can say in the front position have the value that is 2. This indicates 8J connection. Okay, so we have to choose that. So right now H is connected. So when H is connected, so 5 and 6, these two edge will be ignored. Okay, so this is the graph. This is the minimum spanning tree by Prim's algorithm. So what is the logic basically? We have to start from any one node, and thereafter we have to connect according to n number of node. From that particular node, we have to choose only one, that is the smallest weighted edge. Clear? So this is minimum spanning tree, and that is a complete tree. So hope all of you understand. That is the rule. There is no rule to choose the first one. There is no rule to choose the first node, because you can start from anywhere of the graph. You have to choose any one of the node from that particular graph. Then you have to check how many node you can reach. According to the weight, you have to draw a priority queue in the rough sheet, or in the side by side. You just draw the priority queue. Just think, from I just choose first A, and from A we can reach B and D. So according to the weight, our priority queue will be 1 and 4. 1 and 4, because of 1 is at first position, because smallest one will be high priority, that should be into the starting, in the starting side. Okay, so 1 is the, between 1 and 4, 1 is the high priority, so it should be come into the front position, and 4 will be into the rear position. Okay, so now we have to choose the, according to the rule of priority queue, that front can be, front have the power to delete. Okay, so we delete one, that means we just draw the edge. Okay, and thereafter right now we have the two node A and D. So from A and D, how many node we can reach? From A we can reach B, the new node B, and from D we can reach the new node, that is H and J. At the same time, we have to insert all the weight of these edge, all these edges weight into the priority queue. So according to the priority, 4, 5, 6 is the sequence. 4, 5, and 6 is the sequence. Okay, now we have to think, the previous one is higher priority or whatever. So 4, one by one you have to insert. Suppose 4. So 4 is the newest, smallest weight. That means the highest priority between 4, 5, 6. So it should be insert where? Because of already into the priority queue have 4. Okay. Now this new 4 have the same priority. So it should be behave like a normal queue. Right now, AV, this 4 that indicates the AV is in the front position, and the new 4 will be come into the rear position. That means after the AV. After this first 4, this second 4 will be stored or insert into the priority queue because both have same priority. Then we insert 5 and 6 according to its priority. Okay. Or you can choose as a ascending order. And thereafter, we choose as far as priority queue, the font will be deleted. That means AB will be choose, AB will be connected, and then new node is B. And right now we have to think about A, B, D, these three nodes, A, B, and D. From these three nodes, where we can reach. So from A, we can reach B and D, both are connected. So ignore that. Okay. Now from B and D, we can reach from B, we can reach C and J, and from D, we can reach J and H. Okay. So according to the weight, we can just the order, ascending order, that is 4, 5, 6, 10. 4, 5, 6, and 10. Okay. So 4 will be insert at front position, then 5, then 6, then 10, and thereafter we have to choose the first. Obviously, the front position, the element will be delete first, so we have to draw BC, and then again the new node C. According to this new node, again we have to check where we can reach, and according to the all the weight of all the edges, we have to sort out the list, sort out the queue, or you can choose like all the new edge will be inserted into the queue according to its priority. And what is the priority? Mean smallest the weight, that is the highest the priority. Clear to all of you? Any query? Any question? Why other node will be ignored? I think the question arises in that position or in that position. Suppose when we insert the new, after inserting I, after connecting I, when we check from I where we can reach, so we can get the new node J that is not connected. So that is why J is the new node. And to reach that new node, I need only 3 weight. Okay. So after that, if we check the priority queue, the 3 will be insert into the priority queue at front position because the lesser the value, priority is higher. So right now between 5, 6, 10, 4 and 3, 3 is the smallest value, that means the highest priority, so that should be into the front position. Okay. So according to the rule of priority queue, that is always delete from the front. So 3 value will be delete. That means we will connect the J by IJ. Use IJ edge. So when we connect the J, okay. So in minimum, when we construct a spanning tree, we need to connect the edge with a minimum number of edge. Is not it? So that is the spanning tree. The representation of spanning tree is the complete graph maybe have more than n number of edge. Okay, but in spanning tree we need to represent it by minimum number of edge. That is, if there have n number of node, we need only n minus 1 number of edge to connect all the node. So if J is already connected, so which one will be ignored? You can see the new one. You can see here the H is not connected, so that is why from J where we can reach, only those are not ignored. Which are ignored? That is, we can reach j from b, d, g, and I, and 3 is the smallest one. So after connect this j, if we choose gj, gj, so it is a closed. If we choose bj, so that is another time we basically the graph will be closed. If any situation closed graph is occur, so that means if we choose that edge, so that graph is not a spanning tree anymore, because the rule of spanning tree is there should not be closed graph, there should not be cycle, there should not be any loop. Clear to all of you? Now, any more question? Okay, Manish is convinced. And any more question? Okay, so I go for the attendance of this class.